Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is my second video on this channel. I'm glad to see everyone. If this is your first time, my name is Alivia. I'm a crypto trader. I mainly trade binary options. In this video today, I will show you mainly how to trade using pocket option platform. I will show you how to use the alligator indicator. It's one of the easiest indicators to learn and use. It helps you to predict the future of the trade, and it helps you to know at which entry point to enter the trade and when to close. So today I'll be showing you how to do all that. But before we get into that, I want to say that if this is your very first time to join, or maybe you have any burning questions, please you can text me via the description, via the Telegram channel in the description link. I'm always available, so please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a comment down below and share this video. Hi guys, as I say, today we'll be using the alligator indicator to trade. Alligator indicator helps you to know which entry point to enter a trade, and it also helps you to identify a point of reversal. So to look for the alligator indicator, you need to go click this box right here. On this box right here, look for alligator, then click on it, and then as you can see, another box has come. So the box, you need to leave the inputs as they are in default, but then you can change the color of the moving averages. I chose green and red for the two because I want to see a point at which they make a reversal. So it's better to choose different colors, but it's up to you which colors to use. Me, I prefer red and green. So in this moment, we need to open a trade for up. We need to open a trade up for 2 minutes. We can see in this situation that there is a dissection, and also pay attention to the resistance level. So there is a place where to go, and this indicator will confirm to us the entry point and suggest the potential for an increase in the near future. And also it works in the opposite direction. When there is potential for a decrease, it will also show you. So let's wait for the interval trade and see the results. So excellent. This indicator confirms our entry point, and we are getting a very good profit. Price really continued its movement to the resistance level and broke through, and 2 minutes was quite enough here. So let's continue and look at the next situation. So we can see the support level, and we can see that there was a good downtrend, and the price is starting to move back from the support level, and the trend reversal is possible, or just a pullback up. We can see our moving average over the green color is starting to approach our second red color moving average, and in the near future there may be an intersection, and now we'll open a trade with up for 2 minutes, and we'll possibly get a small pullback up. So let's open the trade and let's wait and see the results. Well guys, it's excellent. After a small flat, there was a real back up, and here we are getting our profit, and 2 minutes was quite enough here. So guys, as you can see, this indicator suggests that there is potential for an increase in the near future. So let's change the next situation. So guys, we can see that there has been a good downtrend. The price reached this resistance level, and at this moment there is a reversal beginning. So our indicator also suggests the same, and I think that there will be a pullback down. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes, and let's wait and see. Well guys, it's excellent. The price continued its downward movement, and here we are getting our profit. So 2 minutes was quite enough. So the price really made a small rail back down to the internal support level, and afterwards a downward trend continued. So let's continue and look at next option. So guys, as you can see, after the downward movement there was a small flat, and at the moment the price is starting to grow, and the indicator says the same. So we can open a trade for 2 minutes up, because I think the price will continue to move up and maybe reach the resistance level. So guys, we need to check it and see. Well guys, excellent. The price continued movement up to the resistance level, and here we are getting a very good profit. 2 minutes was quite enough, and this indicator promised us that there was potential of the price going up. So let's go to the next option. So guys, the indicator tells us that in the near future there will be a price reversal, and I think that very soon the price will continue to move to the support level. And also pay attention to the price maximum as it's going lower and lower, and general trend is going down, and before that there was a downtrend, and I think that the price will continue to move down to support level. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down and wait. Well guys, it's brilliant. The downward movement continued and we managed to close our trade and collected our profit. 3 minutes was quite enough, so let's move to the next option. Here we can see resistance level. Also we can see the moment the price is starting to roll back to our level, and I think soon the price will continue its downward movement and maybe reach support level. And our indicator tells us that reversals are expected in the near future, hence a potential to open a trade. So let's open a trade and wait. Well guys, it's excellent. Price continued its downward movement and our indicator proved to us a good point of reversal, and here we are collecting a good profit. The price fell to the support level and broke through. So let's go to the next situation. Here we can see a good uptrend for a long time. The reversal is beginning to start and the indicator says the same, and I think that very soon the price will continue its downward movement. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes down. So let's wait. Well guys, it's excellent. There was a really small roll back down and we managed to close our trade and collect profits. So let's move on to the next option. Here we can see the resistance level. Also we can see that price touched the level and that there was a small roll back down, and here the price is starting to push our level again, and I think the price will continue to grow in the near future, and the indicator tells us the same. So let's open a trade with up for 3 minutes, which I think is quite enough, and wait. Awesome. As you can see, there was a roll back down and upward movement continued, and we are getting our profit, and our indicator gave us the correct entry point. So let's move to the next situation. So guys, we can see after downtrend, reversal is beginning to appear and the indicator tells us the same, and I think that very soon the price will continue to raise its upward movement and maybe touch this level. So guys, let's open a trade up for 3 minutes, because I think there'll be a small rail back or a small flat. So let's wait and see. Well guys, it's excellent. After a small rail back, the upward movement continued and we had to close our trade and profit, and the indicator was right. So I think we should continue to the next situation. So guys, here we can see from the resistance level there was a reversal, and at the moment the price is going down, and the indicator also tells us the same, and I think that very soon the price will continue its downward movement. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes and wait. Well guys, it's excellent. The price is quite volatile, but we have managed to collect a profit and close our trade. So let's change to the next situation. So here we can see the resistance level. The price has rolled back to this level and is starting to approach it again, and I think that very soon the price will continue its movement to the resistance level, and also the indicator predicts the same. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes and up and wait. Well, this is excellent guys. The upward movement continued and we closed the trade and collected our profit. So the indicator showed us a very good entry point. So let's go to the next option. So we can see there was an uptrend, and at the moment there is a possibility of a rollback down or a reversal according to the indicator, and I think I will open a trade down for 2 minutes and we will watch and see what happens. Maybe we'll get a small rollback down, but let's wait and see. Well guys, it's excellent. The price continued its downward movement and we managed to close our trade and collect our profit. 2 minutes was enough, so let's continue to the next option. we can see that there was a very good downtrend, and now we see a price reversal, and I think it will continue moving upwards until the internal resistance level. According to our indicator, there is a potential for an increase. So I think we need to open a trade with up for 3 minutes and wait until maybe we'll get a small flat or a rollback up. We'll see. Well guys, it's excellent. After a small rollback down, price continued movement to the up to the resistance level, and we are collecting our profit. So this is going on, so let's continue next. So in this option, we can see at the moment there's a downward price movement, and I would like to open a trade with down for 3 minutes, which I think is quite enough. So let's wait and see. Well guys, it's excellent. The price really continued its downward movement, and we managed to close our trade and collect our profit. So guys, let's continue to the next situation. So guys, we can see that there was a good uptrend, and now the price, we can see there will be a reversal of the price, and our indicator has already given us a signal down. So I think we can enter a trade downward because the downward movement will continue. So let's open for 3 minutes and see. Maybe a small flat or small rollback up. Maybe after downward movement will continue. So let's check and see. Well guys, it's excellent. After a small upward rollback down, we are getting our profit. 3 minutes was quite enough. Our indicator showed us the reversal point, and the price went below. So guys, we can continue. So let's continue and see this. As you can see, the support level, we can see a good downtrend. The price touched this level 3 times. After there was a third rollback upwards. Our indicator tells us again that in the near future there will be price increase. So we need to enter the trade up, and to probably get a small rollback up. So we'll enter the trade up for 1 minute, because I think 1 minute is quite enough. Well guys, it's awesome. The indicator told us a very good entry point. Here we are getting super profit. 1 minute was enough. As you saw, the alligator indicator is very good. I really love using it. It makes my life as a binary option trader very easy. It's relatively easy to learn, and with practice I'm sure you can learn it too as a beginner. It gives you very good results at the end of it all. Today my goal was 3,400 or 3,500, but I managed to reach my goal, 3,479.99, and I'm happy about that. And I know that you as well can be able to do it. Just need to do a lot of practice and follow this video. So thank you for watching my second video on this channel, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you want to reach me personally, you can reach me via my Telegram link. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this video, and click that notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.